Hello everyone, my name is John, and I will explain how to correctly do a 24-hour fast. Have you tried fasting but gave up after a few hours? It's really not your fault. Most people fail because they were never taught how to properly do a fast. Let me explain why and how to fix it. Jumping into a 24-hour fast sounds great, but here's the truth about fasting. Your body is not prepared for fasting. You will never be able to do 24 hours of fasting your first time. It still relies on carbs and calories at regular intervals. You've been eating the way you do for a long time, you can't just stop eating. When you cut calories and carbohydrates out suddenly, you feel starving, tired, and frustrated. This is why you can't fast for 24 hours. Here's what you need to start doing. The trick to successful fasting is to ease into it. This isn't a race, it's a process that needs to be done correctly. Remember this. The longer you fast, the more beneficial it is for your physical and mental well-being. Here's the easiest way to start fasting. First, try a 12-hour fast. All you need to do is don't eat after dinner until breakfast. If this is hard to do, and you feel the urge to eat after dinner, try eating dinner an hour later, or drink a glass of water if you get hungry. After a few days of doing this, you will become less hungry because your body will start to use glycogen, which is stored in your body. After you've mastered 12 hours, try skipping breakfast. As soon as you wake up, drink a glass of water. This will help reduce the hunger you feel. If you really need to eat some fruit such as a banana. If you feel you can't wait until 12 to eat lunch a little earlier. You need to find the best times to eat so you won't be as hungry in between meals. After a few days, try not to eat lunch. It's tough in the beginning, but it does get easier. When you feel hungry and don't eat, just realize that your body is becoming healthier every hour you don't eat. Your body is rebuilding itself. After you've mastered an 18-hour fast by skipping breakfast and lunch, by now a 24-hour fast will feel natural, not forced. Here's why this works. When you fast gradually, your body learns to switch from burning carbs to burning fat for fuel. This takes time, but it reduces stress on your system and makes fasting sustainable. This is exactly how I did it, and it worked without that much effort. The less carbs you eat, the less food you'll want. Just eat healthy. You can't feed your body trash when you do a fast. This isn't a race. It took me a while to only eat one meal a day. Now I can easily do one meal a day or even go a little longer at times. I can't stress this enough. The key to fasting is drinking a lot of water with electrolytes. Drinking plain water will deplete the necessary minerals and vitamins needed to detox you. Fasting really isn't about discipline, it's about preparation. Start slow, trust the process, and you'll be amazed at how far you can go. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share your fasting journey in the comments. Until the next video, stay well.